Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and set up microphone in your Streamlabs. This is going to be the easiest tutorial you're ever going to watch. And without wasting any more time, let's just get straight into the video. First of all, go to your gear, go to your audio, and make sure that you have your audio devices set up right over here, as you can see. And once you've done that, all you need to do is go ahead into the scene that you want to go ahead and set up a audio source for or your microphone for. Simply go ahead and click on the plus icon. Go ahead and click on audio input capture. Click on add source. And here is where you can simply go ahead and add everything that you want to. As you can see, there's a microphone, there's audio input capture, there's browser source, there's almost everything right over there. All you need to do is simply go ahead and click on cancel, and there you go. There's your audio input and it's working very fine. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.